Welcome to the CurioQuest. Ready to dive into the fiery world of lava? Let's get started. Did you know lava can reach temperatures of up to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit? That's hotter than your oven on its highest setting. Imagine that heat. Lava flows can move pretty quickly, sometimes up to 6 miles per hour. It's like a fiery river you definitely don't want to cross. As lava cools, it forms new land. It's like nature's way of building new worlds. Lava comes in two main types, Pahoehoe, which is smooth and looks like taffy, and Aa, which is rough and jagged like a crunchy granola bar. Astonished by lava's fiery facts? Hit subscribe for more fascinating science with the CurioQuest. Don't miss out on our next adventure.